Good morning, my name is Natalie Demblin. Welcome to my beloved city, Vienna, to the inner heart of the city. I'd like to show you the Graben Street and please follow me, and then I can show you my new opened pop-up boutique, which I've opened 2 weeks ago. I was not brought up here. I was brought up in South Germany, and I came here when I was 18, and I always loved Vienna. I love the culture, the history, all the different beautiful things, art history and culture especially. And so I came here when I was 18, and I went into fashion school for 4 years, and so the fashion world and the art was always my way. And then I moved back. I went back to Germany and to Jordan and some places. And then I came back in 2004. And so I'm living here since 2004 with my family. And I created my own label 5 years ago in November 2016, Natalie Demblin Design. The bells were my first product. It's a very simple idea actually. You have 2 rings and this ribbon, and I put a top layer on top like this. It's all produced in Vienna, and then we have a belt, and it's for man and for woman. We have different types to close it. You can do it like this. And people can come and buy one of the bells as a gift or for themselves because they like it, or they can order it and can tell me what type of color combination they like. So the client can get creative in my company. So we have some autumn colors. Here we have the velvet edition. I love velvet, especially now. It's very fashionable and it suits perfect in the season. And then I started to buy other products from company who are also producing in Europe. And I started to buy these Forlane shoes, which come originally from Venice. But this is a new company and they are produced in Spain. And I love them. They're very comfortable. They're my elegant sneakers. I love to wear them inside, in autumn and winter, and in summer for outside. So once you buy them, you get hooked and you want to have many, many colors. So this is my elegant sneaker. In February 18, the shoulder strap was born. Once a lady came to me and said, I'd like to have a shoulder strap for my handbag. So, and she showed me and explained me what she would like to have, because she saw this at the, I don't want to say any names, but at the big, well-known companies. And, but they cost a fortune. And then she asked me, could you do this under €1,000? And I said, yes, this is no problem. I can manage. So one of the shoulder straps costs €86. It's made in Vienna, and you can choose your own color combination. And you can wear it in this, or like this. You can choose the leather, the color of the leather, if it's should be silver or gold, and the length, of course. And yeah, and then you put on your little bag. Here I have all my key lashes, and the idea is also that every single piece is different because we are all unique, and I don't want to have a product which is produced in hundreds and thousands of times. So they all should be unique, especially for you. So one of my permanent pop-up guests is the Orangerie. We work together. This is a lovely lady from Mondsee, Katrin Wach-Kölnsberger, and these are her earrings. They are made in Lower Austria, in Waldviertel, and she has some different types and forms, and also in gold, all colors. Nothing is plastic. So, and it's a lovely gift which you can buy for yourself or to bring a friend from Austria. These earrings, which you see here, is a little imagine of her products. She has also in the new collection necklaces. They're also produced in Waldviertel. May I present you my friend Victoria Lanz. She's my new pop-up guest. She will stay here for a couple of days and presents her work. So please, Vicky, tell us a bit about your work and
Thank you. So
the idea.
We both want to make a statement with our product, with our colorful and handmade product. So somehow our brand matches, our brand mindset matches, and it's every outfit gets its uniqueness by adding that special element. It's all about the detail and the passion you put into a detail, which creates that special product.
So Victoria had the brilliant idea, and this combines very well, it goes very well with my products. Our idea is bring color into your life, and especially on a rainy day in autumn, in Corona, whatever. And what she did is this lovely, sweet little bracelet. Give me your arm.
Thank you.
May I give you your own product? It matches very well with my belt, and we really love these color combinations. The idea is bring color into your life, and it's produced in Vienna by Victoria herself, and you can order. What? Lily and Liza, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. And when did you
It's
start?
Lily and Liza. I started in 2020, and also my passion is to add value to people who wear my jewelry, because every bracelet tells its own story and it comes to life. For example, we have here the coral reef bracelet, which talks for itself because of the colors, and here we have the magnolia bracelet from our color collection, and so we also have many different stories to tell with our bracelets.
Now I'd like to add something, because those silk knots, cufflinks for man or for woman, whatever, and they are also produced in Vienna. And this is not my own product. I buy it, of course, and then I sell it. But it's the same system. And Victoria had this lovely idea to create something new out of those silk knots who everybody knows. And she just took one single.
I was inspired about all the color combinations, so I started a new product out of these cufflinks. And this is the final product. Lily and Liza bracelets.